Philip Sheldrake is a chartered engineer and architect of the HI project. So what exactly is the HI project?
The HI project is about the human interface. It's about equipping each and every one of us with the facility to engage with our personal data. In actual fact, most of us don't think in terms of data, we think in terms of information and knowledge. We all have different levels of literacy, numeracy and accessibility needs. We can only address each and every one of those facets by equipping us with the interface and having the organisations in our lives adapt to us rather than insist, as now, we adapt to them.
And what's happening in this project?
We're at the stage where we're building a momentum behind the architecture. So we were fortunate enough to receive the endorsement of the Web Science Trust earlier this year. We have a non-profit software engineering firm called Lenaro in Cambridge, renowned for their open source software. They're ready to make this happen subject to funding. So right now we're building super credibility, if you like, interesting phrase, to get that funding together and make it happen.
And what sort of benefits do you think you'll see?
Well, actually, just by making that simple architectural tweak to the norm, a number of different facets drop out. For example, we re-decentralize the web. We can address accessibility in a way that people who look after UI UX today can't even imagine. And we start to give the individual domain over their personal data. Who has access to it, for what reason, and how do I know the quid pro quo, the mutual value we're realising from that data flow?
So what's important about all of this? I mean, why does it matter?
It matters because at the end of the day, the society that I want to live in, at least, recognises the primacy of the individual, but of course recognises that the collective is dependent on us all coming together and working cohesively and coherently together. And so we need that mutual understanding for mutual influence to build mutual value, if you like. And the fundamental for all of that is the flow of data.
Philip, thank you very much.
Thank you.